What is it, Daphne? Oh no! Talwin! I got to tell the others!
Hello, Ratchet. I have been expecting you.
What can you tell me about the Dimensionator?
The Dimensionator, created by the Lombax architects of Brigas Minor. Its creation marked the turning point in the Great War.
So, how does it work?
Existence is divided into infinite dimensions. The Dimensionator opens a portal to these worlds. The Lombaxes constructed the device in order to exile the Kragmites. Percival Tachyon, discovered by Lombax trillium miners eons after the war, frozen in an egg on this very planet, and raised on Fastum. Affirmative. But when he learned of his true origins, he set out to bring back the Kragmites. An explorer named Max Apogee relocated it to Kershaw City. Our cells functioning at 8% capacity. 8% capacity. Thank you for visiting, Iris. Please do not forget to validate.
We need to get to Kershaw City. If we can get our hands on the Dimensionator...
The Warm Fox is too dangerous, but everyone says. Now listen. Daphne says Tao is in trouble. We need to get to Fastum.
Just once, I wish you'd listen to your real friends instead of your imaginary ones.
He didn't believe in me. Ratchet, please, you got to believe me. The Dimensionator must be destroyed.
Why? Because your imaginary friends told you so?
Ratchet? Clank? Did I call it a bad time?
No. Your timing was perfect, Quark. Did you get the holographic schematics of Zordon we asked for?
No need for holographs, Ratchet. I happen to be a skilled schematic artist, trained at the prestigious Kurwan Learning Annex. Behold! Zordoom Prison, a dangerous dungeon of dastardly denizens, death and destruction. A deadly den of devious desperados damaged by decades of, let's just say they're criminals. To infiltrate this fortified fortress of fear, our agent, codenamed Dead Meat, will make his way along the grind rail of certain death, traverse the walkway of tortured souls, and ascend the grav ramp into the mouth of the Jolly Jackal. While I direct the operation from my townhouse of solitude, our agent will jump down the elevator shaft to the lair of eternal sorrow. It is here he will be confronted by an army of Tachyon troopers, a battalion of embattled bandits, and an entire school of zombie ninja panda bears. Good luck, Dead Meat. May you die a glorious hero's death.
A jailbreak. You sure know how to impress a girl.
Are you kidding? We used to do this all the time back on Kurwan.
We did?
Wait, how did you even know we were here? Never mind. Come on, we have to free Krunk and Zephyr.
Keep your eyes peeled, Clank. It's gotta be here somewhere. Huh? Thought I heard something.
Ratchet?
You got it, Lisa. the Solar Renix, known as the Wings Club. Jack Dexter.
Kerchu must have been protecting the device.
Look at this thing. I've never seen anything like it.
Ratchet?
This is incredible.
Ratchet? I think they followed us.
Avast, young scallywag. I see ye have something that belongs to me. Now be a good lad and hand it over.
Yeah, why don't you try and take it, Grog Breath?
You wouldn't begrudge an old pirate his booty, would ye? That'd make old Pete here a bit twitchy with the blade.
Aye, Captain. Say the word, and it's the locker for our friend.
Try to follow us, and I'll gut ye bow to stern. Gentlemen,